Show that L and M intersect at a point A and find the position vector of A. All right, so to do this, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set at least two components of L and M equal to each other. So the first one here is going to be 1 plus 2s. So 1 plus 2s is going to be equal to the first component for the next one. So 9 plus 4t. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the second one. So 2 plus 3s is equal to 9 plus t. Okay, now we could also use the third one, but we actually only need any two. So now I'm going to try to solve these. So what I'm going to do in order to do that is I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides of the second equation. So this equation becomes t is equal to 3s minus 7. And then I'm going to sub this back into the first equation. So then we have 1 plus 2s is equal to 9 plus 4 times t, which is 3s minus 7. So then we have 1 plus 2s is equal to 9 plus 12s minus 28. And then 9 minus 28 gives us negative 19. So 1 plus 2s is equal to 12s minus 19. If we subtract 2s from both sides, we get that 10s minus 19 is equal to 1. That means 10s is equal to 20, meaning s is 2. Now, if s is 2, t is equal to 3 times 2 minus 7, which is equal to 6 minus 7, which is equal to negative 1. So now all we need to do is we need to sub in these values, s equals 2 and t equals 1, into the remaining component to make sure that it still works for the remaining one, right? Because we do need to show that that's the case. So for the remaining component, it would be negative 3 plus 6s is equal to 11 plus 2t. And so if we sub in t equals negative 1 and s equals 2, we just have to show that that works. So negative 3 plus 6 times 2 must be equal to 11 plus 2 times negative 1. So negative 3 plus 12 must be equal to 11 minus 2. And 12 minus 3 is 9. 11 minus 2 is also 9. So yes, we have shown that they both do intersect. And then we need to find the position vector. So to find the position vector, we can either sub in 2 for s, or we can sub in negative 1 for t. It doesn't actually matter which. I will be subbing in 2 for s since I think that's simpler. So then we're going to get 1 plus 2 times 2, which is 5. And then we're going to get 2 plus 3 times s, which is 2 plus 3 times 2, which is 8. And then we're going to get, for the last one, negative 3 times 6 plus 6 times s, which, again, s is 2, so that's going to be 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 is 9. And so this is the answer for what point A is going to be equal to.